Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chanrel. Today I am here with another Sips by unboxing. If you guys have never seen a Sips by box before, it is a monthly subscription box of tea. It is $15 a month. You fill out a profile of the teas you like and they send you a box based on your profile. So here I have my Sips by box. On the top, they always have a little card that tells you all about the teas that come inside, information about them. They oftentimes give you like a little coupon code. So if you decide you really like the tea, you want to buy more, you can, get it at a discounted price. And of course, how much tea to use per ounces and like the temperature of water and such. And then we get to the goods on the inside. So first, I always pull out this bag. If you opt to get loose leaf tea, they will send because you can say that you just want tea bags instead, and they will send you that, but I'd like to get the loose leaf stuff. I think it tastes better most of the time, although I still do use regular tea bags. But this is like a reusable muslin tea bag. You just take off the sticker. Then also on the inside, it comes with these single-use paper tea bags, which I actually really like using. I think they're super duper handy. And now to get to what I got in my box. So the first thing I'm seeing is this package from Tealeaf. I'm going to quick read information about it here. This is the Mustang Green from Tealeaf. It has low caffeine. This flavorful pearl green was grown organically in Nepal. And it says on the back that they say a big no to all pesticides, chemical fertilizers, artificial color and flavors, which, that makes me a huge fan. So I'm interested to try that for sure. I'm always interested to try all the teas. I love tea, so it's definitely my thing. Okay, the next package is another tea from Nepal. This is called Nepal tea from the Himalayas. Looks like Nepali breakfast tea, which I'm thinking this is almost like a version of chai. It doesn't really say on the package what's in this. On the paper, it tells me it has black tea, black pepper, cloves, green cardamom, and cinnamon. So it is like a version of chai, which is cool. And this one is USDA organic. Another organic tea. This one is the organic Assam black tea from Assam, India. And this is from a brand called OLLTco? OLLTco? I don't know how to pronounce that. I'm really sorry about that to the brand, but this looks wonderful. I'm always a fan of getting black teas. I tend to drink them a lot lately. I tend to also go in streaks where I will only drink a certain type of tea. Right now I'm really into black tea. Ooh, and we got another package of this interesting tea. Now, I finally learned how to pronounce this correctly. I believe it's Yaupon. And this is from CatSpring Yaupon. This is their green Yaupon, which they call this, which it looks like Pedernales. I am not sure. Once again, I'm sorry, but it says to steep it 1 teaspoon for 4 to 6 minutes. It's tannin free. And so if you never heard of Yaupon before, which I never had before receiving any in a tea box, it's a naturally caffeinated herb, I guess, that naturally occurs in North America, which is really cool. And I have tried like a roasted version and a green one, but never this particular one. So I'm interested as well to try that out. Now, I always like to try one out for you guys. Today, what shall I try? You know what? I've actually had a lot of black tea already today. So maybe I'll try this one. This is the Mustang Green. I keep wanting to say mustard green. Mustang Green. And this is also organic. I don't know if I mentioned that before, from Nepal. So this is just, you have to be careful when brewing up a green tea like this because you have to use water that is well below boiling. It specifically says on there 175 degree, which is typical for green tea. I'm gonna try my best to do that. I'm just gonna stick a thermometer in the water and hope it comes out right. But I hope you guys have some tea picked out to drink with me. I'll be right back with my tea. Okay, I am back with my tea. I don't have it in my hands yet because I wanted to show you something. So you may have noticed when brewing, when the tea was brewing, how quickly the tea unfurled. I noticed when I was just looking at it before I used it that I knew it would be like a really fun one to wash. And look at how much tea we have in there. Oh, how beautiful it unfurled. There's a little bit of water left in there. Just with 1 minute. And this was just a teaspoon of tea leaves. So loose leaf tea really does go a long way. And they suggested a 3-minute steep, which I always find that first steep, if I let it steep for 3 minutes, it's just way too long for me personally. Sometime I'll have to try it the way they suggest. I did only for 1 minute, and I had to quick slurp some off the top. You may have noticed again that I like almost overfilled the cup. In fact, I'm gonna really, really carefully grab it here because it's almost too full. I shouldn't say almost too full. It is too full. I'm just being super careful here with my teacup. But look at the beautiful color of it. And I was smelling it too before I even brewed it up. It smelled like really good green tea. Now, in the past, like before I really got into loose leaf tea, when I thought of green tea, I thought of actually like lemon flavored tea, the type of green tea that you would put lemon and honey in. I didn't realize what just plain green tea tasted like, and that's basically usually just vegetables. Now, if you don't like vegetables, you probably will not like plain green tea. But if you like your peas and your green beans and your asparagus and things, then you will really enjoy green tea. Ooh, see, 1 minute was perfect. I can't imagine leaving it for, oh, just my dog opening the door over there. I can't imagine leaving this for 3 minutes actually. This was perfect with just one. The specific vegetable I'm thinking of when I drink this particular green tea is Brussels sprouts actually. I had to think for just a second. And it has a really nice thick mouthfeel. I know some people really hate the word mouthfeel, but I don't know what other word to choose for it besides how it feels in your mouth. The truth is what it is, I guess. I just really enjoy it. Yeah, this is a lovely afternoon tea. My goodness, I'm so glad I picked this. I could start getting back into green tea again. But this tea I will absolutely re-steep at least another time, if not probably twice actually. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. I hope you're having a good tea day as well, and we'll see you next time. Bye!